What's up, guys? Taking the bike into the dealership today. Been having a real weird concern where when the bike is cold, when I'm taking off in the mornings, it's real jerky. It's like it's misfiring. So let's go ahead and get over there, or get the bike started, warm up a little bit, and then we'll take off. And hopefully I'll be able to show you what it's doing. Oh, and I got a new set of Dainese gloves. Got them over at Dainese Dallas. Awesome guys over there. Awesome place to shop. So, gonna use the Beeline real quick to Freedom Powersports Hurst. 8-minute ride. That should be busy enough. There we go, it's pulled up there, so we're ready to go. And then for the issue I've been having, I let the bike idle for, I mean, as long as it takes me to get my gear on, which probably everywhere from 4 to 5 minutes. Let's see if I can do it with it a little bit colder though. See that right there? I'm staying constant on my throttle and it's still doing that. See? It cuts out. It's like it's misfiring just enough to upset the engine. So hopefully, I didn't realize there was a recall on it. I was looking in the Gen 3 MT-09 Facebook group. If you're not a part of that, if you have a bike and you want to be a part of it, or if you're just looking at these bikes and want to be a part of it, there's a lot of really good information in that group regarding these bikes, the modifications people are doing on them. Just all that good stuff. See, there we go again. Let's see. So it's not when you're under load. When you're under load, it seems like it runs just fine. But as soon as you're like coasting like this, let's see if it'll do it. See, there we go. And Yamaha has actually sent out paperwork saying that this recall can actually detonate an engine, can cause an engine to go. So they said not to ride it unless you're taking it directly to an authorized dealer, which is what I've done. I haven't rode it almost all week. But what I have noticed, and because I mean it's been doing it now for a little while, is as soon as the bike gets up to operating temperature, it no longer does it. So it's still stuttering. And I mean, the first few times it did it on me, it threw me off, or it caught me off guard, because the bike will just completely transfer weight. It'll feel like you've just locked up your front brake real quick and take all of the pressure off the rear tire. So if you're in a lean or something and it does that, I could see this thing throwing you off. So talked with the Yamaha dealer. They said it was going to be like a 20-minute recall or update. So I'm just going to go over here this morning, get it taken care of. Kind of look in their showroom. These guys over here at Freedom, they're helping me with my next bike. Waiting on one to get in stock so I can actually see it, sit on it, ride it, see if it's actually what I want to move forward with. But it is a bike that Freedom sells. So amazing guys over there. I'll throw the contact information for their dealer right about here. But super cool to work with. Super nice dealership, super nice showroom. As soon as they saw my bike, they were trying to buy it off of me. I'm not sure if I want to get rid of this for the next bike or just have the next bike in conjunction with this for for the YouTube videos. Seems like y'all like the MT-09. Y'all have liked it since I wrapped it, so it got me to the point where I was getting paid on YouTube within 8 months. So thanks to every one of y'all that subscribe. Thanks to everybody who continuously watches my videos. It helps a lot for me to be able to make more content like this, and hopefully with newer bikes in the future, or just doing more insane stuff to this. I've even looked at possibly going and buying like Copart, like a salvage titled bike, to turn into a drag racing bike or a strict track bike, just something like that. One that I'm not going to have to insure to ride on the city streets, because I still am only 23 years old. Insurance is not nice to me, especially not on super sports. See, now it doesn't do it. As soon as the bike gets up to operating temperature, it's not gonna do whatever that software or whatever's happening to this bike that's making it do that. But it's only in the cold weather. I mean, I'm almost at 7,000 miles and I'm in Texas, so it's been hot almost the entire time. But as soon as it started getting cold, you know, 40 degrees, 30 degrees, and I'd go out and take it for a ride, I'd start noticing that issue. And even talking with guys in the Gym 3 MT-09 group, they've said that even if you have your bike tuned, like a V-cycle nut tune or something, it's still happening. So it has to be something in like one of the computers that handles the I guess the key or the ignition, or just something weird like that. And with me working for a dealership, I understand there's computer systems out there that just make absolutely no sense to be in line with each other, but one computer has to see the other computer before either one of them will work like it's supposed to, and that ends up causing a lot of issues. Just get it in there, get the recall taken care of. That way I'm have a little bit more insurance that my engine's not going to get hurt, and hopefully it'll stop the hesitation or the stutter, or I don't even know what they're calling it right now that I'm feeling. We are here at Freedom Powersports, so I'm gonna get the bike checked in. Hey, that's neat. We get the bike checked in, and I'll take you inside after that to show you what all they have here. These S1000s have always been beautiful, amazing bikes to me. And I mean, even these here that have the M package on them, so the golden frame, the really lightweight wheels, just all around amazing bikes. And I mean, they make insane power. But Freedom over here has just about every BMW you can imagine. Don't see a S1000 single R. Those are really neat bikes for me. So really awesome showroom, really awesome that they have this much selection, even with being, you know, this time of year 2022. There's not really a whole lot of selection anywhere else. This is a bike that I almost got before I got the MT-09. It's a MB Agusta Brutale 800 RR dragster, and I mean, they just look phenomenal to me. But I mean, they're a good bit more expensive, and they're bespoke bike. I wouldn't want to put the kind of mileage I put on my bike on something like this. And right next to it, they got a MT-10. I mean, they got a little bit of everything. Ducati Scrambler, bunch of sport bikes, some scooters, some cruisers. This place they've got it all. I did not even really showcase it when I was inside, but also these guys, I believe from what they told me, are one of the #1 Polaris dealers in North Texas right now. And I mean, they have some nice rigs out here, and just about every kind of Polaris you could ask for. I mean, that's a Turbo S right there. That's another Turbo S. And I mean, these things are nice. If I had the extra money to spend and the land to play on, I would 100% be getting one of these. So got the recall done, getting ready to head out, and I don't know if I'm going to be able to replicate it right now just because the bike is not cold. I only ever noticed that issue when the bike was cold, but we'll give it a try. If not, I'm going to let the bike sit for most of the day today. I got some other stuff I got to get done, but I will try it again tonight and be sure I've filmed that. Yeah, no, it's not cold at all. And be able to tell you if there is any difference on it. I changed my mode. There we go. Awesome dealer. This place is cool as hell. And the guys that work here just as cool. Oh, there's a cop. Not ripping it. And I'm not going to be able to have any fun sitting right here behind this guy. Huh? Don't have to sit behind him now. Shooting across the double yellow line. Is that guy really going to sit right there? God, it pops a lot more now. I think it's just learning my driving habits again, so it's going to overfuel me a little bit, but holy crap, those pops are really loud now. I don't think this is my exit. You have your own lane, idiot. No idea where I'm at. I don't even know if I'm on the right side of town. We'll go up in here, open up my Beeline. There we go. That was probably not my smartest move, but I made it, so. I'm really liking these gloves. These things feel good. They breathe pretty good once you're moving. They are a little bit hot sitting still, but for the majority of the time I'm not just sitting still in traffic. Well, that's about all I got for this part of this video. I'm going to film a little bit later of me jumping on the bike again once I'm home and the bike's cooled off quite a bit, see if it still has that cold stuttering or misfire, whatever the hell that is, and I will throw that into the tail end of this video. So for now, thanks for watching. I will see you on the next one. If you're not subscribed, please consider doing so. It helps me a lot. I just got monetized, which allows me to do even better videos on this bike and upcoming bikes, and especially talking with them. They're at the dealership just now. I've got some awesome stuff coming, some really big stuff coming in the future for the BEELINEMOTO YouTube channel. And those guys are helping me out quite a bit with it. What's up, guys? So it is about 12 hours later, same day, just nighttime now. The bike is fully cooled off, so I'm going to get it started up, take it around the block real quick. So before you get on to me for my riding gear, I'm literally going right around the block. I'm not that worried about it. I'm going to let it idle for probably 2 minutes, about like I did this morning, and we will see if it still has that same hiccup or stutter that we were dealing with this morning. Overall though, after riding it back from the dealership, didn't really feel too different. There was, I mean, a little bit more popping, but that could have just been because the computer was reflashed in the process of them doing that program. So who knows? Let's see real quick. It feels really good. It's not stuttering at all now. Doesn't feel like. Oh yeah, that fixed it 100%. It's no longer doing the stutter at all. That is perfect. That campaign fixed the only issue I've had with this bike so far. So I am beyond happy with that. So that's about all I got for this video. If you did enjoy this content and want to see more like it, be sure you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell notification if you want to be notified of any upcoming videos or any videos that I post in the future. And I will see you on the next one.